In this video, we will show you how to change listing category on Amazon. If you guys want to get started with Amazon, you can use the links down in the description. First, log into your Seller Central account, then click on Inventory, then select Manage Inventory from the drop-down menu. Now, locate the product you want to modify and click Edit next to it. On the new page, navigate to the Vital Info tab and scroll down to the Category tab section. Next, click Edit, and a dialog box will open with the category options. Search for or scroll through to find the main category that fits your product. After selecting the main category, a subcategory box will appear. Choose the most suitable subcategory and any additional options. When you're done, click Select and then Save and Finish to confirm the changes. If you need to change the categories for multiple products, go to Inventory, select Add Products via Upload and generate an inventory file template. Fill in the product details including a new category in the Item Type keyword column. Then upload the file via the Check and Upload Your Inventory file tab. If issues arise, you can contact Amazon support through Seller Central. Explain your issue, provide necessary details and follow up if needed to ensure your product is placed in the correct category. So that's how to change listing category on Amazon. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Amazon. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.